Now, we'll go over how to create a new case. This can be done from 4 different places from your Gather dashboard. If you click on the 3-line menu in the top left corner of your dashboard screen, you'll see a plus sign in the top right corner of this pop-out. Click here to create a new case. Clicking on your initials or the staff photo in the top right corner of your dashboard will take you to your calendar window, but at the bottom of the screen, you have another place to create a new case. Back on your dashboard, clicking on the plus sign in the bottom right corner of your screen will give you a couple of actionable options. You also have the option to create a new case from here. But the spot you'll probably utilize the most often to create a new case will be the bigger plus sign button in the center of your dashboard, just above the new one-off transaction button. Once you've opted to create a new case from any of these locations, a window will pop up and will prompt you to select the type of case between pre-need, at-need, or trade. Enter in the decedent's first and last names, indicate their date of passing, and who the case will be assigned to. This will be defaulted to the person logged in and actively creating the case, but can be switched to another team member if you'd like. Once you click to create a new case, our database will search to see if there's already a case with the same name under your funeral home. You can choose to continue with your new case or use the existing case. This will prevent you from making duplicate case entries if someone else on your team has already done it, but will also help in finding existing pre-needs in your Gather system that can be selected and switched to an at-need. Next, you will select a theme for this decedent's public-facing Remember page. You can choose a theme that best fits this individual's needs and what you know about them so far. But you can always change this in the future, so you're not locked into a decision. Next, you'll choose from your funeral home's pre-existing workflows based on the type of service. This could be direct cremation, traditional burial, ship out, or whatever you choose. Once you've selected your workflow, your case creation is complete, and you will be dropped onto this case's organized page to begin working on your tasks. A couple of initial things you can do when you land on this page will be to add a case number by simply clicking on the case number button beneath the case name. This number will be specific to your funeral home and how you assign case numbers. The next thing you can do will be to add any applicable case labels. These come in clutch to provide immediate first glance information about what type of case this decedent will be. For example, if there are health concerns that your team needs to be aware of, such as COVID-19 or tuberculosis, you can assign those labels directly to the case card or even create a new custom label of your choosing. If this decedent is a veteran or a first responder, or if they have a specific religion, you can add all of that information directly onto the case with these labels. You now know how to create a new case. This will become like second nature in no time, but please reach out to Gather support if you have any additional questions.
If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to reach out to our Gather support team at 208-908-0488, or feel free to use our chat function. Bye!